And I can fly it from the comfort of my own chair. Hey guys, welcome back to LRC. So this is the Eachine Mini Cessna, and this is a jumper T-Lite with a 4-in-1 multi-protocol module inside. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to bind this professional radio onto a cheap Chinese RC plane, because this definitely handles much nicer compared to the cheap one that comes with it. First, you're going to create a model, and in this case, the Mini Cessna is the same receiver as the Mini Wing Dragon. So I'm going to use this profile to bind to my Mini Cessna. So after you created a profile, you have to create this controls first for channel 1 to 5. In my case, it's AETR, aileron, elevator, throttle, and rudder. And on channel 5, this is a two-way switch, which is just on-off to trigger the return to home. And when you want to trigger it, you have to pull and release, then you go into return to home mode. And unfortunately, I've tried and I couldn't find a channel that is able to turn the Mini Cessna to be advanced, middle, and a beginner 2 mode. Not sure which channel is that. I've tried out a few channels and it doesn't work. And then you're gonna go back to where you set the radio module. So you're gonna go to select multi, and then type is MT99XX. I'll show you here, MT99X, and the subtype is MT99. So you get ready first at this mode and have the battery connector connected, and so that you can just turn it on using the switch over here. Once you're ready, press the bind button. There'll be beep, and then turn on the airplane and wait for it. So now you can control the airplane using a jumper T-Lite. If your throttle is not working, let's see ours if it's worked. So our throttle works. If your throttle is not working, you have to make sure that when the throttle stick is at the bottom, this is very close. I mean, the throttle will be very close to -100. If it's like 97, -97, it just won't activate the throttle. So in this case, my throttle is working, and you can notice that it's in a stabilized mode. And I believe this is the beginner 2 mode, which is really good. It's doing its job very well, holding the plane in a stable flying manner, because this is a micro plane. And for the return to home to work, you're gonna toggle this switch up and down. And it seems like it doesn't work when it's at home, because it needs to have a difference in terms of the heading. I'm gonna go try it now. Flying with jumper T-Lite is way nicer. Yay. So I think that it is on one of the gyro assists, probably the beginner 1, or could be beginner 2, as it's flying so nicely. Someone just crashed. I think it just hit a small hill, is it? So very nice control. In fact, even nicer than when I'm not holding a camera. It's very nice. So there's no there's no mode change on the remote set, because not sure which is that. It's so nice that you can easily get a hang in the air, going headwind. Very nice. So I'm flying it with this throttle, hang on the wind easily.
30 seconds.
Woohoo!
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1
Try to land holding camera on my left hand. Yeah.